NCERT CBSE 2024 to 2025. Class 6. Exploring Science Chapter 8. Body Movements. All questions and answers in one short video. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions, tick mark, heavy check mark, the correct choice. 1. Muscles are attached to the bones by A. Tendons, B. Cartilages, C. Ligaments, D. None of these. 2. Synovial cavity is found in A. Immovable joints, B. Freely movable joints, C. Slightly movable joints, D. Muscles. 3. The joint which allows movement in one direction only is A. Hinge joint, B. Pivot joint, C. Ball and socket joint, D. Slightly movable joint. 4. Which of the following is made up of vertebrae? A. Cartilage, B. Skull, C. Backbone, D. Bones of the leg. 5. Earthworm moves by means of A. Flagella, B. Circular and longitudinal muscles, C. Fins, D. Hindlimbs. 6. Which of the following animal has its body covered with a hard shell? A. Snail, B. Earthworm, C. Cockroach, D. Snake. 7. A cockroach has underscore pairs of legs. A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. 8. A streamlined body is found in A. Cockroach, B. Snail, C. Fish, D. Earthworm. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. A joint occurs where two bones meet. 2. When a muscle contracts, it shortens and thickens. 3. When a muscle relaxes, it regains its original shape. 4. Joints in the bones of the skull are of fixed type. 5. The bones at the elbow are joined by a hinge joint. 3. Write true or false against the statements given below. 1. Skeleton system consists of bones and cartilages. True. 2. Humans possess an endoskeleton. True. 3. Outer skeleton is present in cockroach. True. 4. In our skull, bones have movable joints. False. 5. Cartilages are harder than bones. False. 6. Joints are not present in finger bones. False. 4. Match the statements in column A with those in column B. Column A. 1. Locomotion. 2. Movement. 3. Cockroach. 4. Birds. 5. Skull. 6. Earthworm. 7. Snail. Column B. A. Endoskeleton. B. Outer skeleton. C. Moving from place to place. D. Change in position of only a part of the body. E. Immovable joint. F. Soft body covered with a hard shell. G. Circular and longitudinal muscles. Answer. Column A. Column B. 1. Locomotion. C. Moving from place to place. 2. Movement. D. Change in position of only a part of the body. 3. Cockroach. B. Outer skeleton. 4. Birds. A. Endoskeleton. 5. Skull. E. Immovable joint. 6. Earthworm. G. Circular and longitudinal muscles. 7. Snail. F. Soft body covered with a hard shell. 5. Name the structures associated with locomotion in the following organisms. 1. Cockroach. Answer. The structures associated with locomotion in a cockroach are legs and wings. 2. Snail. Answer. The structure associated with locomotion in a snail is the muscular foot. 3. Earthworm. Answer. The structures associated with locomotion in an earthworm are setae and muscles. 4. Fish. Answer. The structures associated with locomotion in a fish are fins and tail. 5. Birds. Answer: the structures associated with locomotion in birds are wings and legs. 6. Snakes. Answer: the structure associated with locomotion in snakes is the muscular body with scales. 6. Define the following. 1. Skeleton. Answer: the skeleton is the internal framework of bones that supports, protects, and enables movement in the body of an organism. 2. Locomotion. Answer: locomotion is the ability of an organism to move from one place to another using various body structures. 3. Movement. Answer: movement is the change in position or location of an organism or its parts. 4. Joints. Answer: joints are the connections between bones that allow movement and provide flexibility in the skeleton. 5. Tendons. Answer: tendons are flexible, strong tissues that connect muscles to bones, enabling movement. 6. Cartilage. Answer: cartilage is a flexible, smooth tissue that provides support and cushioning between bones at joints. 7. Endoskeleton. Answer: an endoskeleton is an internal skeleton found inside the body that supports and protects internal organs. 7. Name the joints found in between. 1. Teeth and gum. Answer: the joint found between teeth and gums is called a gomphosis. 2. Finger. Answer: the joints in the finger are the metacarpophalangeal (MCP) joint, proximal interphalangeal (PIP) joint, and distal interphalangeal (DIP) joint. 3. Skull. Answer: the joints in the skull are called sutures. 4. Knee. Answer: the joint in the knee is called the tibiofemoral joint. 5. Shoulder. Answer: the joint in the shoulder is called the glenohumeral joint. 8. Differentiate between the following. 1. Tendons and ligaments. Answer: tendons connect muscles to bones and transmit the force of muscle contractions to move the bones. Ligaments connect bones to other bones at joints, providing stability and support. 2. Hinge joint and ball and socket joint. Answer: hinge joint allows movement in one plane, like a door hinge, permitting bending and straightening, example, the elbow and knee. Ball and socket joint allows movement in multiple directions and planes, including rotation, example, the shoulder and hip. 9. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do animals need locomotion? Answers: animals need locomotion for several reasons. 1. Finding food. Locomotion helps animals move to different locations to find food and water. 2. Avoiding predators. It allows animals to escape from predators and seek safer environments. 3. Seeking mates. Animals use locomotion to find and attract mates for reproduction. 4. Exploring habitat. It enables animals to explore their environment and find suitable habitats. 5. Migration. Some animals migrate to find favorable conditions, such as better climate or breeding grounds. 2. How is locomotion brought about in humans? Answer: in humans, locomotion is brought about by the coordinated action of muscles, bones, and joints. 3. What are the main functions of the skeletal system? Answer: the main functions of the skeletal system are: 1. Support. It provides a structural framework for the body and supports its weight. 2. Movement. It enables movement by serving as attachment points for muscles. 3. Protection. It protects vital organs, such as the brain, heart, and lungs. 4. Blood cell production. It produces red and white blood cells in the bone marrow. 5. Mineral storage. It stores essential minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, for various bodily functions. 4. How is locomotion different from movement? Answer: locomotion and movement differ in the following ways. Locomotion refers specifically to the ability to move from one location to another, involving a change in position within the environment, example, walking, swimming. Movement is a broader term that includes any change in position or posture of an organism or its parts, whether or not it results in a change of location, example, a hand moving or a leg bending. 5. How does a cockroach move? Answer: a cockroach moves using its legs and, in some cases, its wings. It typically runs by rapidly moving its 6 legs in a coordinated manner. When needed, it can also use its wings to fly, although not all cockroaches are strong flyers. 6. How does locomotion take place in an earthworm and a snail? Answer: earthworm. Locomotion is achieved through muscle contractions and the use of setae for anchoring and movement. Snail. Locomotion occurs through the muscular foot, which moves in a wave-like motion along a mucus trail. 7. What is a ball and socket joint? Answer: a ball and socket joint is a type of joint where a spherical bone, ball, fits into a cup-shaped socket, allowing movement in multiple directions, including rotation. Examples include the shoulder and hip joints. 8. How does a fish swim? Answer: a fish swims by using its fins and tail. The tail fin, or caudal fin, moves side to side, propelling the fish forward. The other fins, such as the pectoral and pelvic fins, help with steering, stability, and maneuvering. The coordinated movement of these fins creates thrust and allows the fish to navigate through water. 9. Name the adaptations found in birds for flying. Answer: birds have several adaptations for flying, including 1. Lightweight skeleton. Hollow bones reduce body weight without sacrificing strength. 2. Feathers. Lightweight and aerodynamic feathers provide lift and reduce drag. 3. Powerful muscles. Strong breast muscles, pectorals, for wing movement. 4. Streamlined body, reduces air resistance and drag. 5. Large, efficient lungs, support high metabolic rates and oxygen needs during flight. 6. Keen vision, enhances navigation and hunting ability in flight. 10. Name the 3 main types of joints found in our body, giving examples of their occurrence in the body. Answer: the 3 main types of joints in the body are 1. Hinge joints, allow movement in one plane, like a door hinge. Examples include the elbow and knee. 2. Ball and socket joints, allow movement in multiple directions, including rotation. Examples include the shoulder and hip. 3. Pivot joints, allow rotation around a single axis. An example is the joint between the atlas and axis in the neck, which allows head rotation. 11. How do muscles help in movement in the case of our arms? Answer: muscles help in the movement of our arms through contraction and relaxation. When a muscle contracts, it shortens and pulls on the bone to which it is attached, causing movement at the joint. For example, biceps. When the biceps muscle contracts, it pulls the forearm towards the upper arm, causing the arm to bend at the elbow, flexion. 2. Triceps. When the triceps muscle contracts, it extends the arm by straightening the elbow joint. The coordinated action of these muscles allows for various arm movements, including lifting, pushing, and pulling.